Okay, so today we're talking about solid waste and spatial analysis. What we're going to do is we're going to want to set up the solid waste for our event. And what we want really is to have waste bins, recycling bin, and compost bins every 120 feet so that people are never too far from them. So first we're going to create the recycling bin on our event. We're going to cut and paste it. And then we're going to duplicate it 3 times, and we're going to change each of these new duplicates, one to a compost bin and one to a waste bin. Then we're going to group these 3 items, and we're going to align them so that they're neatly aligned. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to duplicate that group 8 times so that we have 9 of these sets. We're going to kind of lay them out a little bit, but it's kind of difficult to lay them out 120 feet apart. And that's where we're going to use the Spatial Analysis tool. What we're going to do is we're going to open the Spatial Analysis tool, and we're going to select recycling locations as our item to inspect, and we're going to set up the radius around each recycling bin to 60 feet, so that when we put 2 of these circles next to each other, we know that the 2 recycling bins are 120 feet apart. And so now that we've drawn these circles for all the 9 recycling bins we have on the map, we are now going to dispose these circles in the way I just described. So we're laying out these 9 circles, and once we're done with that, we are going to group these 9 sets of 3 bins, which basically is 27 bins. We're going to group them, and then we're going to duplicate that big group, which is going to create another group of 3 times 9, 27, another group of 27 bin, and we're going to do that over and over again in order to cover our event site. We're going to fast forward the video so that we don't spend too much time on this, but basically you're going to see it's very easy to cover the site. And then at the end we're gonna kind of plug some of the little holes with like individual groups of 3 items. And once we have that, we can clear the analysis by clicking on the Clear Analysis button, and we have our solid waste plan well set up for our event. And that's it for today.